checking in to let you all know that I'll be DJing Friday night at Tracy Trees for the Put 'em Up Sticker Show. They'll have a bunch of stickers from all over the world, from graffiti artists from all over the world, exclusive stuff that you can only find that night there at this event. Friday night from 5 p.m. to 10 or midnight. I believe the event is free. We'll be there Friday night, Tracy Trees, 3800 South Grand Avenue. And that's the place where we're doing Beats, Rhymes, and Laughs every third Saturday. So next Saturday from 7 p.m. till midnight, Beats, Rhymes, and Laughs, the Hip Hop Gong Show at Tracy Trees, 3800 South Grand Avenue is free, 7 p.m. till midnight. Special guests, surprise special guests, and the usual suspects.